Hi friends, this is activity 4 for math. Your learning goal here is to multiply with arrays up to 10. What you're going to do here is read the problem question. It tells you some good information. It tells you that she's wanting to put these animals into boxes. It gives you the number of boxes. There are 3 boxes, and it tells you how many toy animals. You have 5 toy animals, and they want to know how many toy animals are here all together. Okay, so you have 3 boxes and you have 5 animals, and you have to put those 5 animals in 3 boxes. So how many total animals do you have in all 3 boxes? So to kind of figure that out, you go ahead and write down the number of boxes times how many toy animals did they give you? It says 5. So you write that number there, and then you're going to add or count all of these animals, which represent the animals in the boxes, and you're going to write the number here, and then you're done.